Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, my name is Martin Gina and I create video tutorials on programming. So if you love programming and want to learn programming, be sure to subscribe and stick with me because you are at the right place. So let's get started for today's business. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to teach you or show you how to create or design a menu using a menu strip. So let's get started. We will go to the toolbox and search for a menu strip and drop it onto our form. There we have it, menu strip 1. So up here on the upper left corner of our form, we will see these boxes. If you click there, more boxes or rectangles are created. Up here, it's where you create your main menu items. So you can create as many as you want. So for me, I'll just say fruit. Yes, and here I will have a car, and here I will have a date. So as you can see, as you click the rectangles and write something, they are also create more rectangles are created towards the right. So this way you write your main menu items, and then on this you can click this rectangle again or box, so you can see that more rectangles are created downwards. This is where you write the sub menu items. For example, for fruit I will say apple, and banana, and then orange. And then for car I will have BMW, I will have Nissan, I will have Ford, I think I have to edit this, sorry about that. Delete. Then we're going to say clock, and then under clock we're gonna have day, date, and time. Time. So let's test our program. Here we are. Yes, when we click on the fruit menu item, you can see the sub menu items under it, which is apple, banana, and orange. For car, you can see BMW, Nissan, and Ford. For clock, you can see day, date, and time. So we can stop our program. So now you know how to design or make a menu, but I'm gonna show you one more thing now, which is how to create a shortcut for your menu. So for that, we're gonna use the ampersand key to do that. For example, for fruit menu item, just press the fruit and then go to properties and look for the text property. Look for the text property. Yes, here for fruit, and then just behind the F at the beginning of the word fruit, just press shift and add the ampersand key, and if it worked, then it should show the F underlined. Then go to car, back to properties again and look for the text property again. Yes, and also here add the ampersand key again. And so also for clock, you're gonna do the same thing and also add the ampersand key again. So now we've created shortcuts for our menu items. For fruit, our shortcut is F. For car, our shortcut is C. For clock, our shortcut is C again. Or I'm sorry, we might run into a problem, so let's change that. For clock, let's use the letter L. Yes, let's use the letter L. So let's run our program and see if it does work. You have to press the Alt key plus the underlined letter on our menu item. So for fruit, you're gonna press Alt and F. There it's working. For car, you're going to press Alt and C. It's working. And for clock, you're going to press Alt and L. So our shortcuts are working. I will repeat again. For you to access or to press or to show your menu items or use them using the shortcut, you need to click the Alt key plus the underlined key or the underlined letter on that particular menu item. Thank you for that part. Now we have reached the end of our tutorial, but before we do that, we're gonna just play with some bit of code. So let's say I want that whenever I run my program, if I press date, I get the date, and if I press time, I get the time. So for us to do that, we'll go to the toolbox and get a label, and then we're gonna drag it onto our form. Let's remove this. Yes, drag it onto our form. Then we're going to properties and make it bigger. So we're going to make it bold, 16. Yeah, and then we're gonna go to clock and double click the date. Here, remember the name of our label is label 1. So we're going to say label S1 dot text. We can also click tab because already is equal to date string. So you can also press tab and also go back to our design to time and double click time again and say label 1 dot text. Once you have text there, you can just click tab on your keyboard, then is equal to time string. You can also click tab. So let's run our program and see if it's working. Yes, so let's go to clock, date, today's date. It's working. Time, yes, it's working properly. So thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for watching, and if you like this video, please be sure to subscribe and also to press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I make or post a new video.